Things are about to get very crazy in the crypto market, and if you watched my video yesterday, I warned you all that a correction was most likely going to take place. And what did take place? Well, we had a very big crash, a very steep sell-off for most cryptocurrencies today, and it is because of several things which I'm going to be talking about and telling you in this video. It's going to be very short, so make sure you stick around to the end. I have very important information that you cannot miss. So smash up the like button if you love cryptocurrency. Let's get this video out into the algorithm. But most importantly, we have the Fed meeting coming up this Wednesday. It's going to shake or break everything. And we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu prices fall as market braces for more Fed rate hikes. So on Wednesday, the Fed is going to be announcing their rate hike, how much they're going to be raising interest rates for mortgages. They're also going to be making statements and talking about the economy, inflation, which, depending on what the Fed says, moves the market up or down. And every time the Fed has spoken, for the most part, has crashed the crypto markets. So I am expecting the Fed to crash the markets. Now, in between now and then, we've had a dip. We will probably get some little bounces here and there. But the Fed could say something bullish. The Fed could do something very bullish and say something very dovish, which would be very bullish. And it would go something along the lines of, we're looking to pause rates sometimes, we're looking to cut rates, we're looking to lower rates, something like that along those lines would pump the markets so much that Bitcoin would probably shoot above 30,000 like that. I don't think that's going to happen. It's very unlikely that that's going to happen because the Fed has continued to reiterate, despite the good information showing inflation coming down very fast, that we need to see many, many months consistently of inflation coming down to our 2% target. And if that happens, depending on when that happens or when it will happen, is when the markets are really going to pump. But here is the thing. The markets are currently right now pricing in all of that information already. So people and like the whales and institutions, not everything depends on Wednesday, right? It kind of does, but it doesn't, because everyone, the market and these experts, they've already anticipated all of what the Fed could potentially do. And that is what moves the markets. Actually, the markets move way ahead of CPI and before the Fed, way ahead of that, because investors, they trade based on anticipation of that news. That's why the crypto market and the stock market started crashing way before they started raising rates, because they were pricing that in. But guess what's happening right now? The crypto markets are going up and they're going crazy because everyone's pricing in inflation coming down and the Fed cutting rates, which is going to be very likely at some point this year, or maybe in the mid of this year. But I'm expecting by May, we might get some really bullish news from the Fed. I don't think it's going to be this time. And even if we don't get it this time, I don't think it's going to crash the markets like we've been crashing, because we are in a very bullish environment right now. We are quite bullish. I could expect a pullback, a weakening of the market. You know, nothing crazy where the market's going back to where it was in November and the times before that. So that is my current opinion and analysis in the market. And if you have the Algo Sniper trading indicator, it told you if you hold any cryptocurrency, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's Bitcoin, it told you to sell before last night's crash. Look at the very top, it tells you to sell. You can try this for free over at algosniper.com. And if you want to follow and copy all of my exact trades as a professional crypto day trader, I'm making insane profits every single week. Join the Patreon at level 2. The link is in my video description. And make sure if you are trading, you are doing it over on Bybit, where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. And I also have a crypto school mentoring program. Apply with the link in my video description if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and notifications on. I'll see you later.